So, hello and welcome to Ceri the Crafter. Now, I did a demonstration recently and I was asked how I make all my little bows for my projects. Well, obviously I've got honking big hands and little bows are really difficult for me. So what I did a few years ago, I found this little gadget which I absolutely love. It comes with 4 of these pegs, so you could do things like double bows, you could do wider bows, you could do narrow bows. I tend to only use this width because I tend to like little bows for the projects I do, although I have been known, especially with like Christmas cards and that, to put an extra set of pegs in and done double bows. But for this, people are asking me what I did, and this is how I did it. Now, I believe this might be made by a company called Crafter's Companion here in the UK. I do know I bought it in Hobbycraft here in the UK. I know it's sold by The Range in the UK. I've got a feeling Michaels and Hobby Lobby in the States would sell easily an equivalent or maybe even the same thing. So keep an eye out for it. But you know what, if you've got a husband or a wife or a boyfriend or a girlfriend who's handy with a bit of wood and a bit of power tool, I'm sure that could easily be made from a block of wood and a couple of wooden dowels. So I take my satin ribbon, well in this case it's satin ribbon anyway, this works for anything. I loop it around, cross it over, so I've actually crossed my piece over here. Then I'm going to take the top bit and I'm going to slide it underneath, pull it out the other side, pull it back over the top, and then literally just tie the back in a simple knot. Once I pulled it in the knot, give it just a little bit of a tug. Then if I turn this around, there you go guys and girls, that's how I do my little mini bows. Now if I wanted to finish that off with the little dovetail things, all I tend to do is just fold the ribbon in half, as anyone would, come in with the sharp scissors, snip, and on the other side, sharp scissors, and snip, and there you've got the tail. So if I take those off, you can now see I've got a nice little bow all ready to go. I can use this for any project I want. The thing is, what I tend to do a lot of is, you know, when you're coming to the end of that roll of ribbon, I tend to save all the little bits and I tie them into little bows and I put them in a bag. You never know when you're going to need one of these, or this is just a little accent piece you want to use for something. So there you go guys, that's a little gadget I use and those are little bows I make, and you can see how fast they were. Hope you enjoyed that. See you next time on Crafting with Ceri. Bye bye now.